this hole, you guys. So here's a bucket for reference of how deep it is. That's how much dirt I moved. Well, actually my husband moved it, I just cleaned it up. Okay, so I was cleaning out this crack and this piece came out, and then we're gonna do this, watch. Ah, that's where the goods are gonna be. All clean. See how well I tried to clean that out? Okay, continue. Okay, I'm probably about 2 feet down. I'm in a hole again. It's the host rock quartz layer. Okay, that's one bucket classified. A bucket here and then what's left of that. So it'll be 2 classified buckets total. Okay, here's the top. Pretty murky, but you can see all the quartz that I have. It's always a good sign. Dream mat for the win. Hee. So in my last video, I got done mining and this ladybug flew onto my back. And then just right now, I saved this little dude. He doesn't have any spots, so I think that means he's a female. So today's nature moment brought to you by Miner Ma and Mr. Ladybug. I got a little smile going on here. See if you guys can see that smile. Starts here. See that golden smile right there? Look at that pretty smile. Okay, last pan. Okay guys. It was actually more of a bucket and a half of classified material. And look at it, look at that, look at that beautiful gold. Drop it like it's hot. Okay guys, I'm a little nervous about this, but my buddy B Kings, he told me I needed to weigh my gold. So I've never done this before. It's a first for Miner Ma. Yeah, I know, I've been mining forever and I don't weigh my gold. Like, what's up with that? But we're gonna do a little dump here. This is what I did today. And oh my gosh, so nervous. Just there was this one that I did the other day. This one I did more buckets, so the other one wasn't quite. Oh no. Okay. Okay, let's try to fire this thing up. All right. It's pretty in there, huh? She's a boiling. Bubbling gold. Okay. Tar. .85. Okay, Dylan. Oh wait, there's some more in there. Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna get much more than .88. Okay, so my buddy Dylan wanted to know. It's .88 4 buckets. So that's not that bad. There it is. Awesome sauce. Thanks for doing that with me, you guys.